Morning, everyone. Give this a minute to come up. I wanted to go over some directions for your digital Valentines. But before we do that, just to go over and review what you're doing for today for your assignments, you have this character traits review. So you'll go through the slides as usual. The only thing I wanted to tell you is some of these words or character traits that are listed here, if you don't know what they mean, use a strategy that we talked about before, like looking up the word to figure out what it means, and then decide which one best represents the character. On this page, you are listing people in your family, and then you're going to give a character trait that describes each of your family members, and then insert proof. So why would you think that your family member has that character trait? What sort of things do they do to show that trait? You do not have to insert a picture of your family. You can draw using your tools if you'd like to, a picture of your family members. And of course, if you don't have 4 family members that live with you, you don't have to do all 4 of those. And then finally, you've got a couple of scenarios here where you're trying to choose the best character trait to describe this person, and then what is the proof? That's your text evidence. What in the text tells you that that person has that trait? And same thing for the last slide. In English, I have you guys doing some opinion writing task cards just to review and familiarize ourselves with opinion writing, since that's what we're diving into in our new unit. Finally, in math, you have a couple of pixel arts. And so this should be just a very quick review of your number bonds within 20. Write your answer, and then the picture will be revealed. You guys should be very familiar with that. On this one, you have multiplication and division. So use those strategies that you guys have, your skip counting or repeated addition to help you with those. And finally, let's get to the Valentines you guys are going to be working on. So this is kind of a fun way that I thought we could still do Valentines, even though we can't bring in the paper cards to school. So the directions are here. You can read over those if you want to. You're going to create a few different Valentine's cards, and I'll have this all filled out with all of our friends' names so that you can fill out who they're to and from. And these are some of the slides that you'll have with different design ideas. This is where you will create your Valentines. This is kind of your blank canvas. So you'll create a few different designs, and then later we will put them on a page for each student in a Valentine's book that we'll have all together. We'll do that together in class. So today I just want you working on your actual cards. This is a good opportunity for you to have some time to work on these. So you can start by going to the last slide. You'll choose a border. So click on it. You can click Control-C. That is to copy, or if you push down on your pad with 2 fingers, this comes up and you can go to copy there. Then you're going to come back up to slide 6 and Control-V will paste it. Or again, you can push on your touchpad with 2 fingers and that will do it. You're going to create just a few different designs. They can be from a different theme, or you can stick to the same theme. And then just like you're buying a box of Valentines, right? They're not just all the same Valentine cards. There's a few different ones. And so that's what we're doing. You don't have to make an individual card for each student. Just a couple of different designs to choose from for when you're putting them on your classmates' page. So all different themes to choose from. We've got, let's see, there's some phrases that you can include on your cards, some treats, Harry Potter, sports, doggies, kitties, just all kinds of fun pictures there that you can use. Oh, those are cute. Look at the little sloths. LOL, Minecraft, princesses, Paw Patrol, and Dora. I think I know who's going to be picking from these different themes. Star Wars. There's some Marvel, Pikachu, and I'm not sure what this one is, but you guys might. Some more phrases, and then some heart pictures that you can add, some fun borders, make it interactive. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you an example one. I am going to go to, Star Wars. I'm not a big Star Wars fan, but I do love some Baby Yoda. So I'm going to choose Baby Yoda for my card. And then I'm going to Control V to paste it. You're going to have to size these down by dragging on the corners. So I'll put him up here. There he is. So cute. All right, and then I'm going to go back to that page and pick a fun, cute little phrase. I like this one. Best friends we are. Okay. Back up to that slide 6. Control V. Or right click if you're using a mouse. You can do that. Gotta be careful when you're dragging these. You should see all 4 arrows when you want to drag. Otherwise, it just makes it bigger or smaller. Better get that out of the way of Baby Yoda. Go over a little bit more. There it is. Okay. So then I've got a little space up here. I might add one of those little hearts or something cute. Let's see. Like this one. Uh-oh. Pushed the wrong one. Control C. Oh, click on it first. Control C. And come back. Control V. Way too big. I need to downsize that. Okay. All right, position it however you'd like. There we go. Then for my names, I've got to and from written here, so make sure we get those spelled correctly. Text box. You're going to go to a text box, and then you can write love, Mrs. Anderson. And I better make that a little bigger so my name actually fits. Okay, if you want it centered, click there. There, now I have my first Valentine. So this will be my Valentine design that I can put on anybody's page once we get to that point. We're not there yet. So today I just want to see a few different card designs on slide 6. And then when we are together tomorrow, I will show you guys how to share that to each person's page, just like you're passing out Valentine's. So that'll be kind of fun for us to do. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and maybe you'll get to go out and play in some snow. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Let's hope. Bye-bye.